having said that, no, here in Germany, we only experience snow in dito sa Germany. So how does that feel for you now, Norbert, na nandito ka ngayon sa Germany, tapos iba yung malamig, iba yung temperatura. How does it hit different for you?
I think nakakatawa kasi nung, prior to getting married,
Yeah.
bago lahat how do you say that? Before moving to Germany, I also experienced Christmas in Africa. Iba din doon kasi summer
Yeah.
ang Christmas
Yes.
dati. Mainit, 'di ba? So hindi siya yung familiar feeling, wala talaga. Now, nung nag-asawa na ako tapos sa Christmas na dito sa Germany, iba talaga yung dating ng malamig na Pasko. Talagang totoong malamig, ha. So we grew up watching Home Alone. So
Yes.
yung idea natin ng Christmas, ng winter, talagang locked in
Yeah.
sa concept ng Western movies, and especially Home Alone, di ba?